We are back with another tutorial, and in this topic we will discuss on how to calculate your package rate. In the previous video, we talked about how to calculate your hourly rate, and the link to that video is on the description box below. Hi, I'm Kim, and my content is related to virtual assistant. So if you are ready to learn and earn, grab your pen and paper, find a comfortable chair because we will be learning a lot today. So package pricing is great when you know how long the task they can take you, when you want to stop trading your time for money, and when you prefer offering client a specific result. So if you think about it, a package rate works out better in the long run as you get more experience and you get quicker at what you do. So in package rate, you are charging a fixed rate regardless of how long it's going to take you. So how do you choose your packages? You can choose 3 or 4 of your services that you can logically bundle together. So you can write down a list of your services that you can offer and pick out 3 or 4 that you could bundle together. Or you can create an entry level package, a standard package, and a premium package with different level of services. Or the other option would be to choose a specific thoughts about your ideal client. So what specific pain points do your ideal client have and how you can solve them? So for example, setting them up on a project management system. So let's have a look at some example of packages that you could have. So first, we have social media manager. So you could create a package which includes creating and scheduling posts a week, plus a specific monthly increase in engagement forwards, and then charge a package rate for that. There's also a virtual executive assistant, so you could create a package which includes an admin task, processing audit, plus helping them to get set up on a new project management system, and then charge a flat rate fee for that. You could also do bookkeeper. For example, you could have a package rate for setting a client up on a new accounting system. So it's really up to you how you can be creative with this. And how do you calculate your package rates? So step one will be to write down a list of services that you want to offer and then bundle them together, which would work well together and thus make sense in the package. Or choose a specific pain points that your ideal client or that you think you can solve with or that you think you can solve with one of your services. Step two would be to work out how long it's going to take you to do all those tasks, and then factor in a little bit of extra time, because often unexpected things come up, and then you want to make sure you're going to be covered for that. Step three will be then to take that amount of time and multiply it by your hourly rate, which we have discussed on the previous video. And again, the link to that video is on the description box below. So you need to check that out. Okay, and then now that you have your package rate, and sometimes it's going to be a bit weird number, and if you prefer to round up, that's fine. So, for example, if it's going to be 992, you can round up to 1,000, and that's absolutely fine. And I think that will be it for this topic. And on the next video, we will discuss on creating your brand. So make sure that you subscribe so you will be updated on my next upload. And also, don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be the first one in line to watch my new videos. And yeah, if you have any questions, put that on a comment section so I can answer that on my next video. Bye. Peace.